The AB point operation mode. The AB point mode is suitable for regular-shaped plots and is recommended for experienced pilots who are already familiar with this drone. In AB point mode, two distinct waypoints are set in the field, labeled as point A and point B. The drone flies in a straight line between these 2 points, using this line as a baseline to automate the flight path for cyclic spraying, ensuring precise and efficient coverage of agricultural areas.
Open the Ground Station app. Connect the remote control H12 and the drone. Wait for settings to update. A pop-up appears asking, "Do you want to continue the current job?" Select Cancel. In the top right data bar, select Speed to set the flight speed for AB point operations. In the Altitude option, you can set the spray width of AB mode.
Press the B button repeatedly to clear previous AB points. Unlock and take off the drone.
Ensure that when taking off, the E lever on the remote controller is in the middle position, and the F lever, water pump, is in the middle position, automatic mode. Press the B button once, and the first waypoint A is successfully marked. After marking point A, the drone will automatically start spraying. Fly to the other end of the field and press the B button again to successfully mark the second waypoint B. Move the E lever to the right to give the drone the command for autonomous operation. Gently push the right joystick to the right to command the drone to shift right and change lines. The drone will then enter the AB point loop operation. At this point, the system will form a straight line connecting points A and B, which will serve as the baseline. With the spray width as the spacing, it generates equally spaced parallel line operation paths on the field, and continues to cycle through these operations. Each line can be manually shortened or extended depending on the situation. During flight, pushing the left joystick forward or pulling it backward can contract or extend the distance of the AB line route. After contracting or expanding, the drone will generate parallel flight lines for loop operation based on the new AB points. If you want to pause or end the operation, move the E lever back to the middle position to switch to manual mode. The drone will hover, then manually pull back the drone and land it.